Hey folks, my name is Norm O'Hara and I run a factory in southern China. And I got introduced to Alex about 6.5 years ago. At the time, he was doing a lot of metal fabrication, and we do a lot of the same processing here. And so I was instantly drawn to him. I felt a connection. One of the things I noticed right away about Alex is that he has a unique way of galvanizing a team, like nothing I've seen before. And one of the things that he would do, he would walk around to every single workstation, take time to ask people how they're doing, what they're struggling with, and maybe if there's anything that they could fix that would make their job easier. And as he would do this day after day after day, he started recording it. He'd show these before and after videos, and soon he was sharing these videos not only with his team, which started to build that culture, but he started sharing them outside the business. And that's where I started getting a sneak peek of the amazing work that he was doing. I think probably one of the greatest innovations that Alex is known for, though, is a way that he was able to tap into the genius of his people. And the way he did it was by giving them all the tools they need to succeed. And what I mean by that is he created this thing called the Lean Cave. And to be honest, it's an idea that's been copied by hundreds of companies around the world, including ours. We use this, and basically you have every single tool you need laid out, and then the people can come and they can grab whatever they need in order to make their workspace, their work area as premium, as lean, as efficient, as ergonomic as possible, so that they can have the greatest success in their work to produce at the highest level, ultimately driving the most amount of value into their product. That's something that Alex was able to watch his employees, he understood their needs, and sure enough, he was able to tap in and figure out how he could use that to really help to boost his team. I'm so grateful for all the influence that Alex has had on me, and I learned so much from him, not only about how to run a business or how to organize a business, but about how to keep making process improvements, even with myself. And that's one thing I really love about him. He's not afraid to push, but he does it in a gentle way, because he truly, genuinely loves the people he works with. We owe a lot of our success to him and to the leadership that he's provided. And I would just say this, if you're looking for someone to help guide and walk with you on the journey to making a lean transformation in your factory, he is absolutely the perfect man for the job. Thanks so much.